Welcome back. Here with us on Times Now. We have some breaking inputs coming in right now, and these updates are from the national capital. Opposition leaders are holding a protest. They are marching towards 30 January Marg from Rahul Gandhi's residence, and police have made an appeal to the protesters. They've asked the protesters to vacate the area. Let's go across to Niyamika for more on this. Niyamika, where exactly are the protesters right now? And tell us a little bit more about the appeal by the police.
The protesters have reached 30 January Marg. Right now, we are also standing here at the same location. The bus is now moving towards Gandhi Smriti, where they are going to pay their tributes to Mahatma Gandhi, as that was the entire idea of the opposition parties, as it was being decided firstly to go towards India Gate, as it is also being confirmed by the leader of opposition in Lok Sabha, Mr. Rahul Gandhi. But the permission was denied by the Delhi police, so the plan got changed, and now they are heading towards Gandhi Smriti at 30 January Marg. You can see that continuously the slogans have been raised against the Union Education Minister Dharmendra Pradhan, as they are seeking his resignation. And in fact, many of the senior Congress leaders are also joining this protest. Mr. Sandeep Dixit is with us. Sir, what message do you want to give to the government by this protest march? This is basically a very peaceful way of protest. But
look, Gandhi is the symbol of non-violence. He is the symbol of protest. He is the symbol of standing for those who are oppressed. And therefore, he is the greatest symbol that this nation has for the kind of expression that the youth are doing. Their entire thing has been non-violent, whether it's use of fasting or its non-violent methods, not opposing anybody, making your thing expressed through culture, through poetry, through protest, through sitting together. So I think it's for us, because government is not leaving any avenues to express your protest. So best thing is to come here, express our gratitude and honor and respect to Gandhiji, and show our solidarity completely with the young people of India.
But sir, BJP is saying that Congress is using the students as their political tool. What is your response to that?
Well, it's a political issue. It's not a political tool. I don't think the BJP understands the difference between party politics and politics. It is a deeply political issue, because it is their politics that has destroyed the education system. What are we saying? We are not saying overthrow the government. We are not saying voters vote to us in power. We are saying correct the horrible policies that you've got. So it's a policy debate. It's not a political debate.
Thank you so much, sir. So that was Mr. Sandeep Dixit speaking in Times Now. You can see in the visuals as well that now the Congress workers and the protesters are currently moving towards Gandhi Smriti. There are continuous slogans which are being raised against Mr. Dharmendra Pradhan, and in fact, they are also targeting Prime Minister Narendra Modi. We have seen that how the leader of opposition in Lok Sabha, Mr. Rahul Gandhi, has also sought an apology from Prime Minister Narendra Modi, stating that this is basically an assault, the brutality which was being shown by the Delhi police on the day when the students had hit the streets to mark their protest, and that is unacceptable, and that is the only reason why today the Congress leaders and the entire opposition is standing firm on their demand.
All right. Thank you very much, Niyamika, for the moment, for joining us with those details.